Good day everyone, this is Sir Dan Apostol. In this video, we are going to discuss Grade 7 Mathematics, the relationship between angles. So, let us recall first what are the different types of angles. We have acute angle, which have the measure of greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. And we have also right angle, which have the measure of exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, which have the measure of greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And also straight angle with exactly 180 degree measure. So, since na-discuss na natin yung mga different kinds of angle, let us know the relationship in different angles. So first, let's have congruent angles. So what is the theorem in congruent angles? If two angles are congruent, then they have the same measurements. So, kung meron daw dalawang angle na congruent, automatically, they have the same measurement. So, katulad sa ating example, angle ABC and angle FED, they have the same measurement. So, therefore, angle ABC is congruent to angle FED. Next is complementary angles. The theorem is if the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the angles are complementary. So, ibig sabihin yan, if the two angles, yung sum nung measurement ng angles nila ay 90 degrees, tinatawag natin silang complementary angles. So, sila yung pair of angle with the sum of 90 degrees. So, angle MAD, measure of angle MAD plus measure of angle PET ay equal to 90 degrees. Next is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, in theorem is if the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are supplementary. So, kung kanina yung complementary, yung sum nila ay 90 degrees, pag supplementary naman, the sum must be equal to 180 degrees to say that they are supplementary. So, ito yung ating angle. Meron tayong angle BAC which have the measure of 125 degrees and angle DEF which have the measure of 55 degrees. So, pag inad natin yung measurement nila, they are equal to 180 degrees. Next is vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite to each other and formed by two intersecting straight lines. They are congruent. So sabi sa theorem na pag meron daw nagpo-form na opposite angles in two intersecting straight lines, they are congruent. So in this example, yung line ACE and line BCD ay intersecting lines and intersect at point C. So yung angle ACD and angle BCE ay opposite angles, and also angle ACB and angle DCE also opposite angles. So according to the theorem na if they are vertical angles, they are congruent. So, kung ano measurement nito, therefore, is also the measurement of this one. And the measurement of this one is also the measurement of this one. So, angle ACD is congruent to angle BCE. And angle ACB is congruent to angle DCE. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are two angles Two angles are adjacent if they have a common side. So in this figure, meron tayong dalawang angles na angle BAC and angle CAD. Meron silang common side which is ray AC. So they are adjacent angle kung meron silang same common or same side. So angle BAC and angle BCE have common side which is ray AC. So therefore they are adjacent angle. Next is linear pair. The theorem is if in case you add the measurements of two adjacent angles and you have a sum of 180 degrees, then the angles form a linear pair. So meaning, yung linear pair ay adjacent angles na with the sum of 180 degrees. In this example, yung BAD, angle BAD, adjacent yan sa angle DAC. And pag inad natin yung sum nila, inad natin yung measurement nila, they are equal to 180 degrees. So that is a linear pair. Measurement of angle BAD plus measurement of angle DAC is equal to 180 degrees. So let us answer these questions. Choose only the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the measure of A if it is complementary to B that has a measure of 55 degrees? Okay, that is letter B, 35 degrees. Kasi pag sinabing complementary, two angles have a sum of 90 degrees. So para maging 90, i-add mo yung 35. Number 2, which is the supplementary angle of angle X with a measure of 80 degrees? Okay, the answer is 100 degrees. Because supplementary angles have the sum of 180 degrees. Number 3. If angle P and angle Q form a linear pair, and measure of angle P is equal to measure of angle Q, what is the measure of angle P? So since they form linear pair, meaning na yung sum nila ay 180 degrees. Then, equal yung dalawang angles, so therefore, the answer is letter C. Para maging 180 yan, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Number 4, at the right are two intersecting lines. If measure of angle 1 is 130 degrees, then what is the measure of angle 2? So, ito yung ating figure. Etong angle 1 daw ay 130 degrees. Ano ang measurement ng angle 2? Okay, ang relationship nila, they are vertical angles. So, according to the theorem, vertical angles are congruent. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay exactly 130 degrees. So, these are the different angle pairs or relationship between angles. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you on our next upload. God bless.